Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to check the Amazon gift card balance without redeem, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can check the balance without redeem. So to do that, just go to your account from here on the top right corner and click on this account. Now you can see there is an option gift card. If you click here, you can see there is an option redeem a gift card. So if you go here and you can just enter your gift card number, then you will check your balance, but it will redeem. But without redeem, if you want to know the balance of your gift card, then just go to your account and click here customer service. Now just click here something else. Now click here I need more help. Now if you want to talk with the customer service, then please click this or choose this one, request a call. Now they will call and you just need to tell about your gift card number. They will tell you the balance. So in this case I'm just clicking this start chatting now, and from here you have to choose that you want to chat with an associate. After that you can talk with someone of customer services, and they will ask you what is the issue, and they will ask you about your gift card number. So after providing all of those details and the gift card number, within a minute they will tell you your gift card value or your gift card balance. So this is how you can easily check your gift card balance without redeem. If you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.